Hi, I'm Shagun. I'm the Asia Program Director at GoImpact. So I think that India is at an inflection point with respect to its growth story. And there is so much happening. There are so many investments going on to really improve the lives of millions of people in India, both from the side of the government. So the government is investing in so many different types of schemes. And we also have so much happening on the civil society front that are really trying to bring the communities together to really solve for a lot of the perennial issues that India has faced. And of course, gender is at the center of all of this, both from the government priority perspective as well as what's happening at the grassroots level. And GoImpact is uniquely positioned to provide support and identify locally rooted organizations and really work with them so that they can really work then with the systems, with the governments, through partnerships and collaborations to bring about the change that we want to see. So I think the Indian philanthropy space is also growing and evolving. I do remember the time many years ago when it was still very much about investing in very tangible things, in building schools or, building orphanages. And while that's great, we know that philanthropy is just another lever. Ultimately, lasting changes that endure beyond the initiatives of one or two organizations will only happen when we work collaboratively with the systems, with the public systems, with the market systems. And also, I think this move from very accountability-centric philanthropy to more trust-based philanthropy, I think that's also really the need of the hour. And there are some amazing funders in India that are already doing that, but we definitely do need to do more. In Asia, we have such amazing program partners, both in India and in Indonesia, which are our two focus countries in Asia. And I'm especially inspired by not just the innovations that they're trying to bring to the table, but how they're really trying to create the spaces where voices of the communities can really come to fore and inform the design thinking, the implementation thinking around schemes and systems that really impact these communities at the end of the day.